frauds are on the rise across the country, from fake parcel calls to threats of power cuts and even so-called digital arrests. And the Reserve Bank of India is now preparing to launch a new AI-driven digital payments intelligence platform, which has been trained on data from banks, telecom networks and other sources. This platform will send a pre-transaction alert so that customers or banks can stop the payment. Here's our report on what this new platform could do and how it can become a powerful tool against digital scams.
Now the Reserve Bank of India is bringing in a new AI-powered weapon called the Digital Payments Intelligence Platform. It promises to catch scams before they happen. The platform can flag potentially risky transactions and aims to strengthen fraud risk management. It will enable real-time intelligence sharing across the ecosystem to reduce digital fraud. The DPIP system will collect and analyze data from diverse sources to identify potential threats and prevent scams. RBI Governor Sanjay Malhotra says the platform will use artificial intelligence to scam millions of transactions in real time. The system will be trained using data from mule accounts, telecom networks, locations, and more. The system, on spotting a suspicious transaction, will trigger a pre-transaction alert, giving banks or customers a chance to stop the payment before money is lost. The Finance Ministry has urged the central bank to speed up the rollout of the system, citing the rapidly rising cases of online fraud. The urgency is clear. In financial year 2025 alone, India reported 13,513 digital fraud cases worth 520 crore rupees. Most were linked to internet banking and cards. The AI-driven platform may finally turn the tide against these cyber criminals, protecting millions from losing their savings overnight. Till then, beware that con man, seeking your personal financial details or asking you to share an OTP.